Hi guys, I am PlantAdvisor and today I am here to show you guys how to make soil for plant. So this is the very first step before you plant a plant. So you need always make sure that you have soil ready before buying any plant from nursery. So I've seen many cases that they've bought the plants from nursery and forgot to make this. So what happened while they were making soil? The plant was very going very weak because the soil contains all the protein, vitamins, everything for plant. Means it is the food. So it got weak and it started giving uh, flowers, but those flowers couldn't bloom nicely. The bud already fell. So this is important. So why soil is important? As I told you, what happened. So many of you might have questioned that why do we need to give everything in soil like in the other soils in the mountains and all the plants grows without any compost or anything. So why does it happen? It's because the roots of the plant can absorb the things from the soil. So the soil already have the things that we need to give in this soil. So the things like Neem Khali, Bharmi Compost, everything is present in the soil. So today I'm going to show you how to make 5 kg of this mixture. So first what we need is Neem Khali, mustard cake, bone meal, Bharmi Compost, white sand, on meal, and some garden soil. So what is garden soil? Garden soil is the normal soil that we use. So first what we will do, we will take this and what's it? Hmm. Hmm. So first I'm taking the garden soil. So how much garden soil? The whole mixture will be in 5 kg. So 1 kg garden soil. I'll pour it. See the garden soil. 250 gram bone meal. Sorry, horn meal, not bone. Here, horn meal looks like this. Bharmi compost. Bharmi compost we need 1 kg. So this is Bharmi compost, and I've also added some thermocol balls to it for better drainage system. Yeah, I forgot to tell that drainage system is the most important thing that should be in your top or where you or the container where you plant the plants, or the plant can't drain out the the extra water and it will die. So if we give thermocol balls, the drainage system will be a little better. So this is white sand. White sand we need 2 kgs. White sand looks like this. Then mustard cake. Mustard cake. Then bone meal. looks similar to hornmeal, but in hornmeal the pieces are more bigger, and in bone meal the pieces are very small. So by this you can find the difference between bone meal and hornmeal. And last but not least, neem khali. Now what we will do, we'll mix it up nicely. Mm. When the mix up is done, then what will you do? You will take a plastic, polythene bag, plastic bag, or any jute bag, and put the 5 kg mixture in it. After you do that, sprinkle some water in it, some water, little bit, not too much, but the mixture will be spoiled. And keep it airtight for at least 10 days. Like this, then you are ready to plant. After you've done with the mixture, so this soil that you can see, this soil is the same mixture which I showed you just now. So then I plant this small sapling, and see how beautiful flowers has bloomed. It smells so good. Show you a better view. Do exactly that I showed. And yeah, I forgot to mention that you also need to add 1 teaspoon of saf. What is saf? A fungicide powder. So it will be a little bit of bluish type of color, light blue. So why do we need to add a fungicide in this mix up? So the reason for that is uh, when if you not add the fungicide powder in it, then fungi will grow. So fungicide powder uh, prevents the growth of fungi. So if you don't add saf and the fungi already grows in the soil, then you plant a sapling, then the sapling will be infected by the fungi and it will not grow anymore, and it may die. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment down below if you have any query about my soil mixture or anything about related to plants. Thank you.